slow down a bit. Power mode indicated. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Rafael Kaiser back again. This time we're not in the Mitsubishi Montero Sport, but we're in the 2018 top of the line 4x2 Toyota Fortuner. Let's go around. This car right here that we have is actually raised because we do have suspensions on it, which isn't stock shocks. So this car is actually lifted 2 inches, I guess, from its a standard height, and we did put black rhinos in it. Looks fantastic with custom plates, Japanese looking plates. It's more of a city driving car than this because it has thicker wheels and it's a bit slower compared to the Montero Sport. This one only has 147 horsepower, while the Mitsubishi Montero Sport has 180 horsepower. And this one though absorbs better with the suspension because of the customization. So let's see, it has eco mode, power mode. This is the 2018 model, okay? We have the chiller, we have a time, so it definitely looks more luxurious than the other car. I'm sorry for the noise here. We have a power tailgate unlike the Montero Sport, and we do all have automatic window power unlike the Montero. It doesn't have full automatic hands-free up and down, so it does have a charger here in the back as well. It has bag holders that carry up to 4 kilograms. We have the armrest with the 2 cup holders. You guys, I'm 6 foot, but if I sit back here, it's a lot of leg room. The headroom is not that good because my head's like about right here. Sorry for the mess here, but pandemic stuff. I'm sorry for the noise, but we do have a power tailgate right here. And see, if you guys can notice, we do have actually more room than the Montero Sport right there. And these 2 seats go back or go up sideways, unlike the Montero, which pushes forward and uses this space. Let's look under the hood real quick. Ooh, where is that? Oh, way heavier. Oh yeah, nice baby. City driving and a little highway driving. We're now on eco mode. Mask real quick. Cup holders. Just a normal compartment down here. We have the glove box. And to be honest with you, speakers here sound way better than the ones in the Montero Sport. Alright. This one's currently at 13,000 kilometers. Even though it's a 2018 model, and mine's a 2019, but it has like 18,000 kilometers. It's just because that one's an everyday driver, unlike this one. Keep this nice and brand new. It smells like brand new in here. So right off the bat, this power steering feels way more lighter. Yeah, way more lighter than the one in the Montero. However, when you're going at faster speeds, the feel of a lighter steering wheel isn't that nice. With just a little bit of movement, you get a lot of steering. Unlike the Montero, where you feel more of like a race car driver. No, it's you feel the ground more, and you get to control it more. But overall, this is a way more luxurious car, and from the customizations, it's more comfortable. What I don't like about the Toyota Fortuner is the knee rest right here. So I need space to lean my leg on, and there's no space for that. But however, it does give it the luxurious feel, so it kind of compensates. The response of the throttle or the acceleration on this car compared to Montero is, the Montero has a different pull, but this is in eco mode. It's more responsive. Like right after you click on that or you press on that gas, it goes. In the Montero, it doesn't exactly go right away. It has a processing time. We still are in eco mode. Let me just turn that off by pressing eco mode once. So we're now in just the standard normal mode, standard driving mode. We're not on power mode. I know that's just on the response of the accelerator. So when you're in power mode, the response is just way quicker, and it's not afraid to use more gas. We are on full gas, however. That's good. We're on full gas. We won't run out of gas on this rent. So a little less traffic today. No more city driving. Good car as well. I want to try driving that. Just don't know anybody who has the Jimny, Suzuki Jimny. Overall, I mean, what can you say, man? And the brakes, definitely more responsive. Shifters on normal mode. Let's see how well it holds at high speeds and acceleration. Okay, cars are clear. No incoming traffic. We'll go second lane. Okay, I see. So at some point at the gas, as I press the gas, it doesn't rev as high as the Montero Sport. This one doesn't rev as much. It stops at around 2.5, and it kind of lets you know you're revving a lot. Unlike the Montero, it goes all the way up to 3,000 easily with ease, and you're not pushing the car to its limits. Slow down a bit. Power mode indicated. Yeah, so you see it's more responsive. I don't know if you can see my foot. You will try overtaking this car right here, as long as this lane opens up a bit more. You can hear the engine more now. Shifting here is kind of better. Well, the automatic transmission shifts a little better than in the Montero Sport. 2021 Montero. Okay, let's go back to normal mode. So you can see the eco light turned on again. Let's try manual shifting. So it says gear 4. So use the right side. Oh, I don't feel that shift at all. I don't even know if it's shifting well, but I do not feel it. Let's downshift. Yeah, it's so smooth. Wow. So compared to the Montero, this is a way smoother shifting of the gears. It's 6-speed. The Montero's 8-speed, but oh my god, you don't feel it at all. The shifting, even the downshift. The Montero kind of jerks a bit. We always love some nice bikes. Beamers. Alright. Let's go back to power mode. Eco's gone, power is on. You can definitely hear the engine roar. And since the wheels are thicker on this car, it's a little louder. Downshift. Oh yeah. Now I'm starting to think it's bad that I don't feel and hear the shift as much as I should be hearing it. Or I don't even know if it's letting me shift as well. Or I'm just used to an 8-speed shifter. Because it kind of drops RPM just now, and I've switched to gear 6 a couple seconds ago. Yeah, so speed pickup is less here. Let's go back to automatic transmission. It's a little slower on the picking up of speed. Oh my, why are you on the right lane, my guy? Why? Now we will have to overtake on this lane. Not even overtaking fast enough if they want to overtake this guy. My ass just can't shut up. Go back to normal mode. Eco's on. You actually see the indicator here. The harder we press, the higher the indicator goes. That means we're trying to leave the eco mode the more we press. So if I press hard, you can see there it leaves eco mode. So yeah, I guess this is less of a fast pushing car than the Montero Sport, but when it comes to city driving, I think it is more comfortable. Montero Sport, you can actually change the sound of the signals to a more electronic sounding signal, a beeping sound. Unfortunately, you can't do that here. Barely felt that. This is only very nice and comfortable because of the shocks that we put in here. Tough dog shocks. Wow, Toyota Supra. But the stock shocks that come with this is way worse than the stock shocks that come with the Montero Sport. A Montero Sport you can rock on a stock setup. Oh, and one more thing I forgot to say. The seats on this Fortuner don't feel as much hugged as it is on the Montero Sport, which is always a preference of the person driving, but I feel like the more hugged I am and the more supported my back is, the better it feels for my driving style. In conclusion, guys, I just want to say that this does have a more luxurious feel than the Montero Sport. It's more comfortable than the Montero Sport to drive. It's a more of a city driver car than the Montero Sport. The Montero Sport, however, on the other hand, feels more racy. It feels more grounded. It feels more enclosed. Even the view feels more enclosed. The response is more race feel than the Fortuner. So it's not a comparable car in terms of like which one is better, because it always depends on the drive style of the driver or the person buying the vehicle. So if you're more of a, again, I can't say for the 2021 or the newest versions of the cars, but in terms of their make in this year, 2018 and the 2019 Mitsubishi, if you're trying to go more of a technical drive, a more roady, fast car feel SUV that feels like a car, then go for that. Definitely go for the Montero Sport. If you're more of just a general SUV owner, you want to have that big feel, muscular feel, a more featured car, actually more features, you go for this one. This one's a more luxurious feel, definitely, and a bigger feel. So that'll be it, I guess that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Stay driven.